Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead, and hello awesome people. We got 2 yards. We got 2 yards of, what do you call it, screened compost, and 2 yards of garden soil. So that's awesome. This came in like 2 days ago. That one came in today. They didn't know when they were going to get it. They were surprised to get what they had and bring me a load. And hold on, this is 42 trays, something like that. So yeah, I got 3 of corn, all kinds of stuff. I got a list back there: broccoli, cabbage, turnips. Those haven't been seeded yet. I've been mixing a little bit of this compost with the sifted compost out there. Oh, what was I going to show you? I don't know, but I got flowers in here too because we need to bring in the pollinators. And I did not come home and turn on the computer. So I'm getting things done. That's the new rule now. Gotta get my homework done before I get on that computer and start doing the social marketing or whatever. So, and after this, I'm gonna go eat a huge salad. And short and sweet. And you have a beautiful growing day. Oh, this is going to be the garden also. So we're going to keep the solar pool heater, and we're going to garden all the way around it, and probably along through here. On the other side of this sidewalk is really not my property, but I can use it for just about anything. I'll have to ask if I'm going to garden out there. Oh, I stumbled. So this might be garden soon also. I got enough dirt, and I got a fence so I can fence off the garden. I got to count the fence posts. I still got a lot of them over there from having the chickens last summer. So if I can't have chickens, I can't grow my own food that way, and I don't have to grow grass. I'll just get my grow on, and I wish you guys to get your grow on, and you have a nice solar garden day.